Hey everybody, my name is Corey Dorsa and welcome to Cooking with Cork. Today we're going to be cooking my Mimi's chicken salad recipe. My grandmother is probably the reason I started cooking in the first place. She would let us chop up onions and saute the hell out of them using any and every ingredient in her pantry. So this first episode is dedicated to her. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, all you're gonna need is 4 boneless chicken breasts, 4 celery stalks, half an onion, an apple, 1 cup of walnuts, 1 cup mayo, onion powder, garlic powder, and salt and pepper to taste. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take a baking pan and line it with aluminum foil. Trust me, this will make cleanup a lot easier later on. First thing we're going to go ahead and do is salt and pepper all of the chicken breasts. We're also going to go ahead and throw onion powder and garlic powder on each of the breasts. Whew, cracked black pepper is a pain. It's going to be 400 degrees and 20 minutes on both sides. So after 20 minutes, we'll flip and do another 20 minutes on the other side. Is go ahead and we're gonna chop our celery and throw it into the food processor. You don't necessarily need a fancy blender. I ended up purchasing this Ninja 3-in-1 blender slash food processor on Amazon for like $99. They have 3 different sizes. It's pretty awesome. You can find a link in the description below. All right, now we want to get half an onion. Cutting board is going everywhere. Then we'll go ahead and we'll also put in the cup of walnuts. Boom! Magic change of cutting boards. The last one was a little sliding. The last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and cut up this apple just enough, and then we're gonna throw it right in with the rest of the stuff. Now with this apple, there's choices of granny apple. I'm not sure exactly what apple we ended up going with actually. But hey, any apple should do. You know, Mimi really went with the flow. Alright, now what we want to do here is we're going to go ahead, put the top on, and we're going to give this a few pulses using our handy dandy nifty Ninja blender. And we just want to go ahead and pulse it a couple of times. And we're also going to have to take the top off and scoop the stuff at the top and the bottom to get that also nice and processed. times, right? 7 times. It's fine. All right. Whew. And now we're done. You can go ahead and see the consistency of this right here is going to be a little bit soft. I mean, everything's still in good chunks. You don't want it too shredded, but you don't want it too big either. And then we're gonna go ahead and dump this into our mixing bowl. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna be doing is, one, not overfilling the food processor this time, but we're gonna go ahead and cut up and cube our chicken. This is the most complex dish that you're gonna see here on Cooking with Cork. So keep checking back, you know, week to week to see how easy we can make our meals.
That's a horrible.
Hey, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Kind of scary with a knife, but subscribe. Smash that like button. And uh-oh, it's getting a little full. I'm worried about it. All right. So now we're gonna go ahead and process this real quick before we fill it up, and then we'll throw the remaining 2 breasts in there. All right. The chicken should look below this. I mean, it's gonna have some bigger parts, some smaller parts, but overall, just nice shredded chicken. So the last thing we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna add the cup of mayo into the mix, and then we're just gonna fold all the stuff together. All right, let's go ahead and try this. Serve it up on something.
Yeah.
Oh man, I totally forgot. So we're gonna go ahead and serve this. Oh God, I'm gonna stop eating. This is not in the original ingredients, but this is just a little vehicle for your chicken salad. Gonna put the lid on, and we'll go ahead and just cut it.
Beautiful cross section.
Okay, yep. And so, if this bit wasn't a big mess, this is our delightful Mimi's old, traditional, super easy, only took us 3 hours to film chicken salad. Cheers. It's good. Hey guys, if you like what you saw, if you didn't like what you saw, you want to follow me to make fun of every video, please go ahead, smash that subscribe button, and double smash that like button. I'm Cork. Thanks for cooking with Cork. And you were just cooking with Cork. Keep coming along to Cook with Cork.
Oh.
Smash subscribe! Smash that like button! Cooking with Cork! Oh yeah! Maybe we can cut some
Kittens, oh kittens.